Thank you for choosing this course. Today we will be learning about Atlassian's tool Confluence. Confluence is the most widely used tool for team collaboration and knowledge sharing in the industry. And this is a self-paced course, so you will have a lifetime access to it. So no need to worry. Okay, just to give you a brief about this course, it is divided into 7 sections and we will be going through each of them. And guess what? You do not need any previous experience or expertise to take this course. So once you have completed this course together, you will have a better understanding of basic concepts of Confluence, creating spaces and pages, formatting, team collaboration, sharing and capturing content, and many more. So once we are done with this course, I can guarantee you that you can call yourself as a Confluence wizard. So let's get started. So this is divided into 7 sections. Feel free to jump on any of the sections, but I would recommend you start from the beginning. Let's jump to section 1, which is the basics of Confluence. So now, what is Confluence? Confluence is a team collaboration and content sharing tool developed by Atlassian in 2004. Atlassian is the same company that has provided us with a tool called as Jira. On Confluence, you can create and share your content. You can work on various types of documents on Confluence, such as Word, PDF, and many more. You name it and you have it. You can create your own personal space, you can create your team space, and many more. We'll be learning about all this in the upcoming sections. Now, why Confluence? Why people or the industries are using this tool? This tool is one of the most powerful tools available in the industry for team collaboration and content sharing. So let's look at that perspective. Now, it provides more visibility and transparency in the team, and then it helps in sharing information or knowledge amongst all the team members so that every individual is aware about the team's work. You can create your project plans, team calendars, you can track your Jira issues. We'll be learning more about it. You can capture business requirements, technical requirements, and many more under one roof. So Confluence provides you all the features under one roof. And Confluence can be used by anyone. As I said, you do not need any expertise to learn Confluence. So Confluence is one of the best tools available in the market right now for team collaboration and knowledge sharing. So I will be walking you through all the features which are provided by Confluence, which will be helpful in day-to-day work. Now, just to understand the basic concepts of Confluence. So Confluence has two terminologies, I would say, that's spaces and pages. And pages are again divided into parent page and child page. Now let's see what spaces are. Pages are grouped under spaces. You can consider spaces as a placeholder or a container under which the page is listed. And you can create n number of spaces in Confluence, but it is ideal to keep pages having similar or related type of content or pages of one team under the same space. Now, what are pages? Pages are used for creating content. You can use pages to create project plans, gather requirements, track requirements, and many more. Now, in the next slide, we will be looking at parent page and child page. What is a parent page? Parent page is the main page or the cover page of your content. And what is the child page then? Child pages are created under the parent page. Any page created under the parent page is called its child page. Isn't that simple? So to summarize, child pages fall under pages and pages fall under spaces. I hope you are with me till here. Okay, now let's see how you will be able to access Confluence. So Confluence provides you with a free version, as well as there are few other available plans, but those are paid plans. So under free version, you will be able to access all the features of Confluence. Let's see how we can do that. So if I click on the first link, it will take me to this particular page, and you can have a look at what Atlassian has to offer under the free version of Confluence. We will have a look at it in the upcoming sections, so no need to worry about that. Now let's explore the paid version. So if I go back And if I click on this link, it will take me to the paid version page, and these are the plans which are offered under paid version page. So you have cloud, then you have data center. So we look into cloud. Cloud has free version, standard version, premium version, and enterprise version. So and these are the features basically under the free version: user limit, site limit, pages, analytics, page insights. So if I have to look at what page insights are, so it is like get engagement analytics on page views, user views, and comments. So you can go through all these features, and these are the features for free plan. Page insights is not offered under free version, just to correct that. Now if I change the name of the if I change the number of users over here, 10 is the default one which is mentioned, you can see the pricing also changes. Now let me make it back to 10, and if I change the plan from monthly to annually, the pricing again will change. Now if I look at the data center, these are the features which are offered under data centers, but data centers plan is mostly used by teams or organization which are big in size, and those who have a lot of users to use Confluence. So let me go back to cloud. We'll be looking at the free version and the standard version too, and I will be walking you through the free and the standard version, which is offered by Confluence. Okay, it's time for quiz now. So let me test your knowledge. You'll get 5 seconds to answer this question. What is Confluence used for? And the answer is C, both A and B, for content sharing and for team collaboration. Now second question, pages are grouped under spaces, pages itself, child page, none of the above. And the answer is spaces. Third question, page under a parent page is called as another parent page, a new space, child page, none of the above. And the answer is child page. Moving on to next question, what types of document are supported on Confluence? Word, PDF, PowerPoint, all. And the answer is all. Pages are used for content creation. These acts as your documents. True or false? And the answer is true. So this was the last question for section 1. I will see you in section 2. Thank you for watching.